Okay, so hello everyone, we are Team Status 200 and we are back again here to present our topic BioVault. Let's understand the problem why there is a need of a platform named BioVault. The problem is simple but yet so complicated. The problem is that there are many blockchain wallet platforms present out there in the globe on the internet which are used for transactions of Bitcoin, Ethereum and all. But the main concern behind this platform is that they store the credentials of the user in a private key, and sometimes these private keys are stored on their end in a DB, or those are stored under the name of the user inside their device. So what happens if the database is hacked? If the database is hacked, the credentials are gone and the funds of the user might be zero. Or guess what, if the user's data is hacked inside his phone, also there is a chance that the platform gets the transaction to be zero. And also if the user loses that credential, then his account is gone. He can't access that transactions or wallets or his money, anything. It is gone. Now let's understand what is our solution. Our solution is BioVault. Now let's not add some fancy terms here and keep the explanation simple. The BioVault is a platform where you will not carry your credentials, you will store it under your authentication, or specifically biometric authentication. Let's understand that if you register on our platform, the working is like this. If you register on our platform, the first and the foremost thing that we do is that we generate a private key for you, and inside that private key it is divided into two pieces using MPC. And using this MPC, what we do is that we break down your private key into two halves. The first share is stored under the app using your biometrics. That means the first share cannot be accessed without your biometrics. And the second is that what we have did is we have used IPFS, that is interplanetary file system, to store your share 2. The share 2 is then distributed amongst various computers over the globe, and our database stores the unique identifier link to access the share 2. In this way, we store your credentials in a decentralized format, meaning that your data cannot be accessed. And guess what? The second and the foremost thing in today's world important is cross-device accessibility. We use WhatsApp and we also use WhatsApp Web. At the same time, we can use both. So guess what? We have also this type of feature, and it is super special and super innovative. The thing is that whenever you want to log into your another device, just go and scan that QR. And based on that, what we will do is that we will create a secondary or a temporary private keys first share, which will be generated using access of the second share, which will complement it, and it will be stored under your second device authentication, that is biometrics. And you can use it as long as you want. When you log out, we delete that credentials. The third and the foremost issue that one might face, if their phone is lost, so then what can they do? The thing is simple. What you can do is that you can go on our platform, then you can check for resetting biometrics. There you can verify your DID, that is the digital or decentralized identifier, which is created when your account is created on our platform for the first time. And the next thing, which is that you have to answer some queries and your KYC should be done. Decentralized KYC will be done. And once it is confirmed that it is your account, then the first share is again generated by our end by analyzing the second share. And after that, the first share which was logged under your device will not be considered as the new pair will be generated. Now let me give you a quick overview of our platform by showing our website and our prototype. Okay, so as there is not much time left, let's see the platform developed by us. It is BioVault, that is a biometric decentralized secure wallet platform. Here is what is broken in other Web3 authentication platforms: key loss problem, the usability barrier, centralized honeypots. And here is our solution explained in short, that is zero knowledge biometrics and all. And here is a 5-step working flow which will be executed when there is a transaction being done by the user. Here is the proven technologies on which our platform is built. Solely describes that our solution is backed by the technologies which are used industry wise majorly, and it is solely built by our team. And now let's see the main page, that is the account creation, where suppose a user enters his name and everything, after which he needs to scan his own fingerprint. After scanning his fingerprint, the share, which is divided into two parts, one part is stored on his name and other part is stored on IPFS, as mentioned in the and explained in the solution which I gave you earlier. So this is a thing where all his transactions that is sent, what on which recipient address he wants to send, then what is the amount, then if he wants to review it, then scan to authorize. Here's what happened in the backend, that when the user wants to come here, when the user comes here, the local share from his name and the local share shared on the IPFS comes together, is matched, then the authorization and the money is transferred. As you can see in the also here, MPC share S1 is to loaded, then threshold is checked, transaction between Polygon Mumbai happens, then awaiting blockchain confirmation and transaction confirmed on chain. Okay, so now here's the recipient ATS scan code, and he can copy this address. And for the ease of access on multiple devices, a QR code is generated which can be scanned on another device. And here is the security, that is decentralization identifier and all. And here is the MPC structure that we have used. So that's it. This is the solution that we have built. So if you have any queries, then you can ask us. And yes, this is probably what we are providing as a prototype. Thank you.